Hey, you two.
Hey!
Alright, we're going to be making a show that's called The Kristen and Amanda Show.
I'm Kristen.
I'm Amanda. And this is our, introduction to our show that we're going to be doing.
Mm-hmm.
We're probably going to be doing it, every Sunday since it's summer.
Might be different times. If we,
because we, have to hang out and stuff like that.
We'll have, special guests and, we'll have, out of set and stuff.
Yeah.
So, if you're on Facebook, we'll make a Facebook page, and if you like that page,
we'll have, our Yahoo.
We'll do Yahoo. We'll be on a lot of things.
Yeah.
Because with your guys' help, we can make this, worldwide. And this will be, really fun because,
we're really crazy and we're best friends. Yeah.
So, especially during, school starting, we'll do it, every Sunday. So it's, we could do, we're going to be doing, a lot of different things. And we're going to be doing, wacky things. And, you guys can comment in and, tell us what you want to see on the next show, stuff like that. And, we'll do it. We'll get to it if you want to. We can get, all different kinds of things, and we'll do this, and we'll do that. So, if you could...
shows and stuff like that.
Yeah, well, we could get special guests, we could get... we'll get as many people as we can.
I'm seeing Taylor Swift this summer, so I'll, record that.
Yeah, we'll record that for you, and,
we'll make, music videos, we'll have music video contests.
Yeah, we'll have contests, we'll have...
everything.
With your guys' help, we can make this worldwide, and, that's what we want to do. We want to, be famous, online. So, with your guys' help, we can really make this. So, when you see this video, and you see our videos, and you really like them,
you'll see that
tell your
really
friends,
funny,
and then... You'll,
outgoing.
tell your friends, and then you can keep going and going, and we can, get a lot of likes on Facebook, we can go on Yahoo, we're gonna be on YouTube, we're gonna be everywhere.
Yeah.
So, we'll have a lot of contests, we'll have a lot of, prizes for things, if you so, you can comment on us to see, because we're, really bland, so comment on us, and tell us what you want to see. We'll subscribe, subscribe and comment and see what you want to see next on our show. So, we'll do a lot of different things, and we'll be really crazy, and
really
guys think outside the box of what you want to see. If you want some music videos, tell us a song that we should do, and then we can do it. So, we'll do a lot of things. We'll record sleepovers, we'll do pranks, we'll do prank calls.
Yeah, just being us, because that's who we are. We're outgoing, we're funny. Not really sensitive. We're very strong.
Yeah, we can be, but
so it's just don't get us.
If you tell us a story, we'll go, oh, but I'll forget.
Yeah, we're over it. But it was one of our best friends. We're always there for them. So
okay, so you guys
subscribe,
comment. Tell us what you want to see on our next shows, and you'll
see more of our personalities, what we're into during out. Yeah, because, I'm a dancer, gymnastics, and
it's,
stuff like that.
every Sunday, so we can make your Mondays, better.
Yeah.
Especially when school starts.
Yeah.
We'll
just be us.
We'll just be us. Well, nothing is, fake around here.
No,
we're not trying to, tell you guys, buy this, buy that. We're real people doing real things. So...
We're real teenagers.
Yeah, we're real teenagers, and we want to help, lend a hand out. We'll give advice and stuff, so... Comment, subscribe. Yeah, I'm good at advice. So comment, subscribe, our Facebook page, and
we'll
tell us what you want to see.
Be the Kristen and Amanda Show.
We're the Kristen and Amanda Show, and we'll air as much as we can.
Yes.
It won't be every Sunday because
we'll have videos basically up every Sunday.
We'll upload videos Sunday, but so subscribe and and we'll hope to see you in the future.
All right. So remember, I'm Amanda.
I'm Kristen.
Kristen and Amanda Show.
Have a great day.
Yeah.
Bye.